Corey, you need to come and have a look at this. We need to build this for the next one.
Oh really? What is it?
Yes.
Oh mate, that's absolutely sick. Definitely do it.
Yeah.
Definitely, 100%.
So,
Here's what we've got.
there's the bike.
Here's the bike from Tick.
The donor bike, yeah.
Costs nothing, as you can see.
Yeah.
It's a bit bad, but it doesn't matter because we're not so worried like that. But there she is. So our plan is chop it, this off, and that to there, leaving the
crank on it.
crank on, yeah. All back end's gone, seats are gone. Keep the handlebars, keep the front wheel, obviously it's out of the point to do it, so yeah. That's that, for free.
Yeah. Now then, Mr. Oreo, let's get involved. Nice sunny day today, yeah. So we've got some
second hand again.
Second hand go-kart tyres off the old flea bay.
Yep, flea bay.
Yeah.
Really well for the back end, yeah.
Yeah, got a seat. Yep. Where do we get that from? Flea bay.
Flea bay.
Flea bay.
This is just a box of bits, so I'm not going to go through it all, but we've got basically all rear end and engine stuff.
Well, we went on the Colin Furze website, didn't we?
So this is all here. All that there with the engine and the actual little bits and bobs in there is all from the Colin Furze website, so you'll have to go see him if you want.
Yeah, if you want these bits.
Yeah. We can put a link in the description.
Put a link in the description, can't we?
Yeah. The final bit is.
Oh, so got some bits of metal.
Bit of offcuts from a couple of lads around the corner. Nice one to source them for us, but so yeah. Yeah. Got some angle iron. We've got some
box section.
We've got some flat plate.
Yeah, and then we've got some little thin plates for some braces, haven't we?
Yeah, some braces there, yeah.
And then the tools to do the job: grinder, hammer,
socket set,
well, magnetic square.
That's a brand new vice.
Brand new vice.
All
the stuff. A few bits of tools in there, screwdrivers and whatever.
Most important thing.
Some drill bits.
Safety. Most important thing.
Safety first. Where's the glasses? Glasses on there. Yeah, so I get the pedals off. If the pedals don't come off, we'll
just cut them off.
Cut them off.
We don't need them, do we?
But let's see if we can get them off first anyway. I doubt it, but you never know. Just don't drop it down the...
I'm not going to try to. Right, so that's off. How does that come out there?
That comes off first, yeah. And then you see where them two slots are, that's it. That undoes. And watch it, because then your bearing comes off. You only need to do one side off anyway.
Oh, she's a bit rusty in there.
Oh yeah, it's going to be, isn't it?
She's a little bit rusty and a bit... Good job it wasn't in the used bike, wasn't it?
What did I just say to you?
Yeah, I know, well, I've got nowhere to put them, have I?
Well, don't throw them then. Just put them down, that's it. We don't want grease all over, do we? That's it, lift it up. Watch the other one, because that'll come off as well.
I've seen it.
There's the crank off.
She's still a bit tight.
Well, I've taken the back brake off because we don't need it, do we?
No.
You know, kept the front brake on, got rid of the handle grips.
Yeah, for now.
For now, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to
cut that.
Whip it upside down.
Cut about where I'm sat now, innit?
We're going to cut that off, cut them off, and then somehow cut through there on a nice angle. Yeah?
Yeah. Not too close, but going through there, yeah?
Yeah, you're going through,
right,
taking them two off,
yeah. So to start with, yeah?
It's an old one, isn't it?
Oh, that's in the way.
You want that bit off?
That stem?
That stem, but I don't know what's that. What's that that's there anyway? That's in your way.
A little bit of screwdriver in.
Right, we'll get that off first then. Put it on its side if you want. Lay it down on its side so you can throw one side and the other side. Side. That's it.
So what we're doing next then?
So have you not got through there?
No.
Right, we'll do another cut further down so it meets up with that one, but don't bend it. Roughly that angle, yeah. That's it, it's come away there then. Snap her off, kid. Put your grinder down. Just put your grinder down.
We just rip off?
Yeah, it should do.
Should do.
Just watch your shins when it comes off, because if that hits you in the,
yeah,
that'll put a right hole in you. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, it's just a bit too thick.
No, just twist it. Twist it round now. That's it. Little comp. Hey, watch your face. Yes.
Get off. There she is. That's the front end.
Yep.
Hey.
So,
oh, just fell over. So I just the wind took that. So we just mopped it up.
Just drop that on there.
I'm gonna
Drop it on.
shop.
Yeah.
So we just mopped it up. Obviously, it's just
So that's gonna go there.
It's just a mock up at the minute, innit? But
Yeah.
and I can't really sit down.
No,
So
no.
you've got the axle at the back.
We've got the axle there.
Tyres at the side.
Tyre here.
You know what? It's starting to take shape, isn't it? Already. Look at it. Pardon me, my nose.
Tyre here. Let's
Seat
have a
on the
look.
back. I can't sit. I'm not going to sit down there. So I'll fall over. Pull that tyre in there.
No, it is what it is. What
Yeah,
I'm
and then
saying
past the
is,
seat.
yeah, but the seat's going to be suspended up above the engine, because the engine's going to
Well,
be
that's
there,
probably about where I'm sitting. And then
Yeah.
I've got to get my legs on the pegs, but I can't sit down because I'm.
No, you can't sit down on there.
But
It's
that,
gonna hurt
obviously,
your
handlebars
ass.
will probably move down.
Yeah.
Obviously, still got the brake attached.
Yeah, the stems are up there at the minute, so they can move down a little
Yeah,
bit.
that can spin, can't it?
But you get the idea. Yeah?
There's a general idea.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah, on to the next bit.
sharp bears off. So we've ground the bike down. Bike's there, ready to go. It's all ground up, all cleaned up, so it's nice and flat and safe.
Cut up, yeah.
Next bit is the actual chassis. So what we're doing here is, we've obviously watched Colin Furze's video, so we're going to use the same example as that.
So basically we're cutting an hole in there. Well,
All
not cutting
saw.
an hole, we're cutting also down the
Saw's
side.
going to go like that.
Not in that one.
The next one.
In that one.
The next one, make it a bit bigger.
Yeah.
All saw's going to go in there.
Same at the other side, and then we're going to grind it out. Anyway,
Grind it back
it.
and we'll show you when we've
Crack
done it,
on
yeah.
anyway. Right, go for it then. Put that bit right with the saw bent to it. Pile it over.
So we've drilled it off, central,
Yeah.
putting that in to lock it in place for now. And then what we're going to do is, underside, once it's...
Put one bolt in, tighten it up,
Yep.
and then we're going to smash that round for it to sew. Put another one in, and then same again at the other side.
Fix
So
it.
yeah, go and get that on there. Get that nut on,
So,
onto that bolt. Right, go on. Bring it out, bring it out. Right, start again. Less pressure. Yep. So it's there. Now when the tyre's pumped up as well, that's going to take it back a little bit further. Yeah?
So, next bit, just going to strengthen it up. I'm going to put another nut and bolt through there, and I'm going to drill just here.
Yep.
Out of those drills. So, got the engine out. That's all fixed up, the bottom brace onto the bike front end. Just finding out where to sit this, so if you go too far forward, the wasp, too far forward, you're not going to get your carburetor, the carburetor's going to be stuck.
It's touching the engine frame. The
Yeah.
frame's touching the
Frame's
engine.
touching the
eh?
engine, so you don't want it too far forward. So if you move it a little bit further back, you've got a little bit more wiggle room. What's going to go? So when we know where this is going to be, we can then, when you sprocket there, obviously depending on what chain it is.
Just put that piece of box section
This one here.
up to the other one at the back there, where it's roughly going to be. See, for me that is quite close, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Do you know what I mean?
yeah, because what we've done is we made that longer, so you just have a bit better fitting.
But we can gain a bit from the front there.
But to be
'cause
fair
it's
though,
not
if we
that tight
yeah,
up.
but if we're using the plates to fix that, we don't need it tight up.
Yeah, but you want, I know what you're saying, but you do want it tight because then it
No
just
flex.
gives it a bit more,
Right.
bit more strength. Do you know what I
And
mean?
if we're going to put the braces either side, then
Yeah,
does it really?
yeah, yeah.
If we're going to
So
brace it from side to side there, does it really matter?
yeah, well, just hold that axle up now in line.
Well, the axle's going to be about...
Well, it's got to be in line with that bottom metal piece because that's where your bearings are going to get attached to the side ones that's coming up off it. That's what I'm saying. So that axle is going to go up. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, there.
Well, no, it's not going to be there, is it? But it's going to go up in line with that. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah. Can't the carb go left or right like his, like what Colin Furze does? His goes left or right.
Yeah, it's just what I'm saying is as well is when you put the carb on, obviously you don't want it interfering at the front 'cause I'm sure it bends off to the front with the thing.
Yeah, it does,
But I mean, we've got the studs on the front there of the cylinder head. We don't really want them touching the frame. They're not there at the minute, but to me, it's as though that bar now
too short.
too short, but we want 1,000,000 miles off. So basically, we need to make the box section now that's going to carry the axle. Out of this box section. So
That's where.
So that's, we want 350 mil. That's 0.
That's not 0 there, is it? 0's there.
0's there.
0's there, look. 350's where that, look. That's flush, 350 there, look. Where's your pen?
It's metal, you don't have a pen.
Right, so that's 350, I can see it.
Right, so cut that one to 350 with a grinder.
You want to mark them up while I'm cutting?
No, well, what you'll do, you use that, lay that on there so you know it's exactly the same because it's a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. We'll cut that one, so your two 350s, and then we'll...
350, doesn't it?
No, that one and that one is top and bottom. Right. Your sides are going to be 270 because they want to finish 210 because we're doing a 30 by 30 bend top and bottom. Yeah? So get your cutting wheel on your grinder, yeah? And we'll get them cut up.
Fixings in the back side in it, so you flip it over. So want two fixings in here. So we're going to go to corner here.
Looking at it like that, you want to be about there. So I'd say about where my finger is.
Yep, that one.
Bit
there.
About that, yeah. Just mark it a little. Just get it marked a little bit though. Just there. Just put a little mark on it. Hold on.
There.
There, just put a little mark. We really could do a little punch, but you're all over the place.
Oh, I know I am, because it's not even...
So we've marked it off. We're going to pilot drill it.
Yeah, 4mm and
4 mil and 8.
So yeah, we haven't filmed it, we just cracked on, but as you can see, it's all bolted up now. Made a little bit of boo-boo there, one concentrating look, as you do. But yeah, it won't affect it, will it? So next step now is to bend these over onto the flat part and put a bolt through them, just so they've got a fixing all the way around it. It should be solid. She's going, but look it out. So it's very.
Why don't you try putting that corner on there, like that, holding it, and then lashing that down. like that, you're pushing on the corner, so basically, it's not very ergonomical, is it?
Whack here.
Last one. Last one. Fingers, fingers, fingers.
You're not really going to tell though, are you?
I might want
So if you got that though?
hit it from one corner to the other though. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it needs to come down, look. You can see it from here.
Yeah. But like one corner, you know, hit it from one corner. Yeah. Square it off, hit it on a corner, square it back up, and then get the bolts in it. Happy days.
There's and the weld, the sparks, but need to do it. So I should wear long sleeve. It's a long back.
Nice framing, lads, no pun intended, even though we're making a frame, but you're framing. So let's get this on here.
I'll hold that while you're doing that.
Get that lined up on there.
Right, I'm holding that, so that's steady.
And that needs to go. Let's get this engine on.
Engine needs to go on first because you need to line it up.
So they are at the back. Well, basically, the engine sits up like that. Don't sit where it is now, it sits basically like that.
Yep. Yep. I know what you mean, so it's leaned back a bit.
Yeah.
Even though it, yeah, so it's that'll miss that, won't it? So the carb will miss anyway. So then we just need that.
So that sits up.
Yeah, it's just where that is, where the axle. That's where we're going to put the axle on there, aren't we?
And that's going to go.
The breather pipe doesn't matter, does it? So you happy with that then, that distance then?
Well, I'm just going to. I want to be able to. Let me calm down for a second. Just put it. I've got that.
So, no one said we was using basic tools. Well, we're using two plant pots to hold the bike up. While we just configure where the engine's mounting. So if you want to know how to use basic tools, then watch this video, because we're not even using basic tools, we're just using the plant pot. Two plant pots, in fact. Looks pretty though, doesn't it? Looks pretty.
I think it does want to sit a bit further forward. I think I've lent it a bit too far back.
What, the engine?
Yeah, because there's the mounting plate underneath there. You get right down underneath.
Yeah.
You can't see it from that angle, but
No, but
it is lent back a little bit, but not as much as if you take them.
no, but if you move it forward, you don't need to get in on it. If your engine's knackered, you're not.
Well, it will drop a little bit. Do you know
Yeah.
what I mean? And then basically what's happening is
That's gonna go flush up, and then plates.
that's gonna go on there.
So then flat plates there. So that we're mounting that is. See that flat plate there?
And then we've got. My fingers killing.
So we've got two of them, haven't we?
Two of them. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go.
Yeah, one up top, one at the bottom.
And fasten that together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Underneath and on top.
two in, four or five screws in
and
there,
then
can't
there's
we?
going to be another one of them underneath there that
Engine
attaches
mount.
to the engine.
Yeah, we're engine mounting. So we're using 3 flat plates basically.
2 bolts through there then coming out of the engine mount, so it'll actually
Attached to that. Yes.
And then basically the axle
Will run straight, pretty much through there, won't it?
run through there.
Yeah.
With these bearings on, but the bearings are going to go on here. So we've got to work out whereabouts these are in respect to the centre of these. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, where the axle's going.
Yeah.
Get it? I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we've got to
Configure now.
work out now is where these bad boys are going to go on here. Do you know
We can offset them as well, can't we?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a big hole in it. That's the only problem.
Big hole for that bolt.
Yeah, it's a big hole.
Get some wider bolts.
Well, I think that might be the option.
Because
So they're not going to do, are they? Can hell, you can't even mount it. Yeah, they're not going to do, are they really?
on the washers that gave us. Even red.
Oh well. Well, it's one of them things, isn't it?
Anyway, no,
You live and you learn, that's what it's all about.
well, I didn't realise they were that big though.
Yeah, but if we get some big
We
boys,
need some big boy.
we just need some big boy bolts, don't we?
Yeah, fasten that through.
Yeah, that's no big lick. We can sort that.
Yeah,
Sort that little hiccup, can't we? But yeah, she's coming along. Because as you can see, minus the plant pots, she's actually coming along. There's obviously a seat on top and an exhaust and that. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Other way, seat's the other way. She's going it. Look at that. No, we raised up as well. We've got the exhaust underneath it, haven't we? Obviously, that's how he's configured it, hasn't he? Yeah, she don't look. Oh, you try that, you know. I'm not. So you reckon your legs will be alright to go to the front pegs? You're not far off, are you, really? You're not far off, really, are you? To be honest with you, you might even need to come forward. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. See what happens.